yourself back together now. What's your vision?
In our previous video we completed up to 50 questions. In this video we will start from 51. Okay friends, first question here. The line trap unit employed in carrier current relaying. Line trap unit employed in carrier current relaying offers high impedance to 50 Hz power frequency signals, offers high impedance to carrier frequency signals, offers low impedance to carrier frequency signals, acts as a power device. Here, line trap unit employed in carrier current relaying offers high impedance to carrier frequency signals, and allows power frequency signals. Okay friends, here the answer is B. Next question. The protection relay used for low fault setting and high operating speeds in a transformer is merge price protection, harmonic resistant relay, Buchholz relay, translay relay. Protection relay used for low fault setting and high operating speeds in a transformer is harmonic resistant relay. Friends, next question. The wattmetric relay with directional characteristic is used for the protection of generator against loss of excitation, overspeed, failure of prime mover, earth fault. Here wattmetric relay with directional characteristics is used for the protection of generator against failure of prime mover. Friends, next question. The best suited relay for 3-zone protection scheme is impedance relay, reactance relay, Moore relay, overcurrent relay. Here 3-zone protection scheme is Moore relay. Friends, answer is Moore relay. Next question. The rule of Indian electricity rules 1956 for overhead lines gives information about materials and strength, maximum stress and factor of safety, earthing, clearance above ground of lowest conductor. The IE rule 96, the rule number 77 is clearance above ground of lowest conductor. Friends, next question. The stringing chart are used to calculate string efficiency, ABCD parameters, corona, tension and sag at any temperature. Stringing charts are used to calculate tension and sag at any temperature. Okay friends, next question. Due to proximity effect, the effective internal reactance of the conductor decreases, increases, does not change, becomes infinity. Due to proximity effect, the effective internal resistance of the conductor decreases. Okay friends, next question. The inductance of a single phase 2-wire transmission line per kilometer gets doubled. The inductance of a single phase 2-wire transmission line per kilometer gets doubled when the distance between two wires is double, distance between the wires is increased fourfold. Distance between the wires increased as square of the original distance. Radius of the wire is doubled. The inductance of a single phase two-way transmission line per kilometer gets doubled when the distance between the wires is increased as square of the original distance. Friends, next question. A transmission line of 210 kilometers length has certain values for A, B, C and D parameters. If the length of line is made 100 kilometers, then transmission line for 210 kilometer length has certain values of ABCD parameters. If the length of the line is made 100 kilometers, then A increases and B decreases, A and B both decrease, A and B both increase, A decrease, B increase. Here A increases and B decreases. Friends, A increases, B decreases. Next question. The surge impedance loading of a line is proportional to root V square V cube. The surge impedance loading of a line is proportional to V square. Next question. Under no load conditions, the current in a transmission line is due to. Under no load condition, the current in a transmission line is due to corona effect, capacitance of the line, spinning reserve, backflow from earth. Capacitance of the line. Next question. For a transmission line, the no load receiving end voltage is more than the sending end voltage. This is called Ferranti effect, skin effect, proximity effect, corona. Sending end voltage, receiving end voltage is more than sending end voltage. This is called Ferranti effect. Corona loss is reduced by the use of hollow conductor because the eddy current density is reduced. The eddy current in the conductor is eliminated. For given cross-sectional area, for given cross-section, the radius of the conductor is increased of better ventilation in the conductor. Corona loss can be reduced by the use of hollow conductor because for a given cross-section, the radius of the conductor is increased. Answer is C. Okay friends, next question. The non-shielding method of over-voltage protection is based on the principle of allowing arc path between ground and conductor, insulation breakdown, switching capacitor banks, none of the above. Non-shielding method of over-voltage protection is based on the principle of insulation breakdown. Next question. The valve elements of non-linear resistance in valve type lightning arrestor are made of porcelain, stainless steel, zeolite, silicon carbide. The valve elements of nonlinear resistance in valve type lighting arrestor are made up of silicon carbide. Next question. Which of the following lighting arrestors can discharge current between 65,000 to 1 lakh amps? Station type, line type, distribution type, rod gaps. Which of the following lighting arrestors can discharge current between 65,000 to 1 lakh amp? Is rod gaps. Next question. Which of the following is used to reduce tower footing resistance, ground rods, counterpoise, horn gap, surge absorber. Which of the following is used to reduce tower footing resistance? Is ground rods. Next question. In the case of grid bus arrangement, the size of aluminium pipe used for voltage level of 66 kV is 40 mm, 65 mm, 80 mm, 100 mm. In case of rigid bus arrangement, the size of aluminium pipe used for voltage level of 66 kV is 65 mm. Next question. In substations, the breaker maintenance facility is provided in the double bus bar scheme, single bus bar scheme, main and transfer bus scheme, all of the above. In substations, breaker maintenance facility is provided in main and transfer bus scheme. Next question. For low voltage applications up to 11 kV, which of the following insulator is preferred? Pin type, suspension type, strain type? None of these. For low voltage applications up to 11 kV, strain type insulators are preferred. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.